Hi friends, today I am with a new pair of TWS by Boult Audio. The model name is Zigbuds and we will do the unboxing and check out the features of the product. So let's start the video. Coming to the box is pretty much similar. The color what you are seeing of the earbuds are already displayed in the box, and here you can see it has a 8-hour playback, 3 hours, 3 days of standby. It also comes with the Bluetooth 5.0. It has a both earbuds master and there is a stereo calling with mic. Noise cancellation is also present and call and music can be controlled with the earbuds. So the boxing is pretty much similar. Now I will take out there are some paperwork. It would include the service center details, the warranty card, and also the user manual. I definitely recommend you to check out the user manual to see the controls for each TWS, how the left one or the right one functions. This will be very easy while you are using the TWS. The case is very small and here you can see there is a pinkish kind of tone inside the accent and other thing is black. Now there is also small box. In the small box we are getting some ear tips and the charging cable. This is a micro USB charging cable. I will also show you how it charges and the rest of the things. Now coming to the pairing first, I am taking one of the TWS and putting it in my ear so that I will show you how the pairing works. First of all, you have to switch on the Bluetooth on your phone and also have to pair it. While pairing, it will also announce in the earbuds. Now I am switching on the Bluetooth on my device, and after that I am pairing a new device. Here you can see the new Zigbuds will be named here. You just have to go and tap it. Once you tap that, you can connect with it automatically, and the next things will be very easier. I have already put that pairing mode. Now it is getting paired. Once it is done paired, it is very easy. You can see it also tells you the battery percentage level left on the earbuds. Now I am putting both the earbuds, and while putting it also pairs internally via Bluetooth both the earbuds left and right pair. Now coming to the one more thing, what you can do with the earbuds, if you go to the setting, there is few things like HD audio, you can switch it on, phone calls you can switch it on, media audio you can switch it on, and also contact sharing. These are the few things which you can do or perform using your earbuds. So one more thing, the both the earbuds, there is none is a master one, but the basic function is that if you press for 2 seconds you can activate the voice assistant, and if you tap once it will pick up the call or it will hang up the call. If you want to reject, you have to double tap on the multifunction button. If we talk about the play and pause, so while playing the music you have to tap it once, then it will play the music, after that it will pause the music, which is a very easy function. If you go to the next track, you have to double tap on the right earbud. If you want to go to the previous song which was playing, you have to double tap the left earbud. This is very simple. You can't change the volume up and down using these earbuds, so that is a little bit drawback, but I don't think the price what it is offering is much of a deal for this thing. If we talk about the voice assistant, I have already tried with Google and Siri and it works completely fine for that. You can see I'm just switching on the Google Assistant and it is working. It also will take your commands, so that is definitely not a big deal. So these are the features and functions what you are getting with Zigbuds. Now coming to the battery and the charging, let's check it out that also. So while charging, here you can see there is a LED light which is flashing and which will tell you how much battery percentage is being charged. It is very easy once you put into charging. Coming to the charging point, it has a micro USB charging point at the back side of the case. The company is already claiming that it can run up to 3 days on the standby and 80 hours for the playback. I haven't tried and tested for that time, but definitely if the company is telling, it will come near about that also. So if we talk about the device, it is very small, very elegant looking in design, and the box pricing which is given, don't go for that. Here you can see there is light blinking, so if you are getting a red light that means it is charging. If you are getting a blue light, it is in the paired mode. So this is something in the indicator what you are getting with this TWS. So the price of the Zigbuds is 2,499, which is around 2,500 bucks. It is available online on the Boult Audio site and maybe some of the e-commerce platform. So this is all about the Zigbuds by Boult Audio. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.